Blissfield Manufacturing was actually started in 1946 by my grandfather, Orville Farver. At the point in time when the company was started, he was a plant manager at Tecumseh Products, working for Ray Herrick. So he asked my grandfather if he would be interested in becoming a contract manufacturer of that product and start building it for him.
Just trying to see how everything comes together today from where it used to be, and the improvements that we've been making on the plant floor through our lean activities, seeing people buy into that process. It's exciting to see. Seeing your people change right along with, the economy, right along with, the trends. It's exciting to watch some of that stuff.
It seems like so much has moved out of Lenawee County, and we're lucky to have Blissfield Manufacturing here. It's very important. The Farvers have done a lot of good for Blissfield, and then in Adrian.
Our company, fourth generation, my two sons are here with us now, and they've been here about 2 years. And we still consider ourselves a family. It's just pretty simple, the golden rule, treat others as you want to be treated. And also try to create an environment. And I think it's up to us, if we create the environment that people feel that they can grow and learn and participate and be part of things.
The company's changed a lot over the past, I would say, 5 years, 10 years. I mean, there have been always different cycles of the business as far as, where it goes and what it's pointing to.
Those changes have seen Blissfield Manufacturing adapt over the past 60 years, starting with those condensing units and bringing in belt-driven compressors that have since been replaced with components from the automotive and environmental industries.
Our main ones would be oil cooler, hydraulic oil cooler for the off-road industry, refrigeration condensers and evaporators for anybody who goes anywhere, reaches in and grabs a pop at like a Walmart out of a machine. We have a part in that, to a vending machine taking their soda out of. We're everywhere. Plus, we're also getting the market in the CO2 and environmentally friendly refrigeration compressor. We're hitting the market heavily in Canada, Quebec and Montreal. Those are some of the other areas, and also with our water treatment with the Pro 2.
On any given day, workers are seen at several different pods around the facility floor, making the component parts in each step of the process for those several product lines.
I'll get my cart and go gather some of the headers, the side members, and we'll stack them up in this machine for the turbulator, and it kind of flattens it out a little bit to make it go in tight through the headers and through the fins. You wheel it over to your jig table, then you'll have your headers, and you apply the brazing compound to it. You got to compress it, it makes everything tight, and once everything's lined up, you get your cooling rods and you kind of line them up, kind of wiggle them in there, and then you go in with your impact hammer and just start hammering away at it. Then the welders and the forklift driver come by and they'll pick it up and they'll take it to their station and do what they have to do to it.
That attention to detail is clear throughout the building, from cutting tube length to applying the copper paste and powder as pieces go in the braze oven. It is best on display with the start-to-finish complete system water remediation unit, the new Pro 2, that is poised to revolutionize the industry. I
don't know why, but I really like that product because I've seen how fast it can make a difference.
Our main use for this machine right now is putting extremely high levels of dissolved oxygen into any type of a waste fluid. So it's basically a massive leap forward in technology as a whole. And our largest problem in selling the machine so far is the technology is so good most people don't believe it's real.
I'd love to move the business forward, following that green technology path, and take our Pro 2 machines and really change the world with it. That's just the tip of the iceberg as far as that's concerned. I mean, this industry, that market it's huge. And, for us to think that the Pro 2 is the pinnacle, I mean, that's totally false. So, I mean, the sky's the limit, and, I want to hopefully change the world.